Namaste everyone, I hope all of you are doing well. Stock number 1 I gave you to sell in today's session was Exide at 135 rupees. Looking at the daily chart, 135, the breakout level was somewhere here. There was no chance of hitting the stop loss and the price went as low as 131 rupees, which amounts to 4 targets getting hit. I'm going to move on to Mrs. Bector's at 255. So here we go, Mrs. Bector's 255 somewhere here, no. 250, what is it? 250, no, 253, which means SL got trigger more than 253. Third stock was Mahanagar Gas at 690 rupees. So here we go again, a decent bearish momentum. 690, where was the bearish candle? Somewhere here. And 678. So 4 targets hit. I'm going to finish it off with GE Power at 129. So GE Power 129, 126. I have to look at the entry level 129 somewhere here. 128, 128. So 128 only. 130, yes, 128. So one target. Stock number 1 for tomorrow's session is none other than Muthoot Finance, and the bearish breakout level of 990 has been tested twice in consecutive sessions, which means there is a huge amount of supply at that very level. So what I'm looking for is a candle on a 5-minute chart closing below 990 rupees on the back of rising volume action. This scenario does pan out, we might see a huge selling, and which has the probability of taking the stock price somewhere in the vicinity of 850 rupees. Moving on to second stock, and I am looking at Godrej Consumer Products Limited. Here we go. This is a trend line pattern. Let me draw one more line implying support level. So if you look at the price action, at this juncture, price was making case of lower lows and lower highs, followed by a rebound, and this catapulted buyers to an accumulation zone, and this accumulation has grown not at a faster pace, but is certainly growing bit by bit. So any price momentum on the either side, if it is on the higher side, that is breakout from resistance level of 765 rupees, or on the lower side, that is below the round number of 700 rupees, can really bring in either buyers or sellers. So what I'm looking for is that the prevailing bullish momentum from today's session should carry buyers in tomorrow's session, and the stock price can try to challenge levels up to the round number of 800 rupees. Penultimate stock for tomorrow's session is none other than Mazda. So this particular stock has witnessed a lot of selling in last 5 to 6 trading sessions. On the hourly chart, if you look at the price action, it is as bearish as it gets. On the daily chart, I quite excited with the formation of bearish candle in today's session. I don't see anything stopping sellers from taking the stock price at least around the level of 475 rupees. Last but certainly not least, stock for tomorrow's session is none other than JK Lakshmi Cement. This is a sharp trend line pattern, and within the trend line pattern we also have a slanted line which has marked the support level. So again, price here was going down, then it tried to go up, and then it could not go any lower than 360 rupees, and after that this is the price action we have. So any bullish momentum above 415 rupees can help the sellers, not sellers, the buyers, to challenge the level of 450 rupees. I'll take you to the smaller time frame, and you can see with your own eyes the amount of bullishness that was there in the fag end of the session.